Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Thirsty Thursday. This is the day we usually make a couple of alcoholic drinks, but today instead of doing liquor, we're doing coffee, so almost just as good, right? Before I get started though, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, and you love coffee, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so earlier today, I showed you guys how to make your own cold brew coffee, which is very different from hot brew coffee. And so that's what we're using. I drank some of it, but I've got a little bit left over. We're gonna use the leftover to make a caramel frappe or frappe. I think we decided to go with frappe because it sounds a little fancier, right? All right, so the first thing we wanna do is take our coffee, and I can promise you if you do the cold brew, it's gonna taste 20 times better. So we're just gonna make some ice cubes. Try not to make a mess. I've already got a little on my countertop, but that's okay. Maybe I'll have a little bit left over. I can finish drinking what's in here. All right, so we're gonna freeze these. Well, there's not much. I don't know, maybe if I add a little cream to it, I'll have a full cup. All right, so this is gonna go off to the freezer. I don't know, however long it takes to freeze the ice cubes. I think about 4 hours or so. All right, so our cold coffee is all the way frozen now in our cubes. But before I make my drink, I wanna do a couple other things, and that is get my garnishes ready and prepare my glass. So the first thing I did was make some whipped cream. So I just put some heavy whipping cream in my whipped cream maker along with a couple tablespoons of powdered sugar. So this is our whipped cream maker. And then you just pump the handle for about 30 seconds. And then you've got some whipped cream. So of course you can use this stuff in the can. I always have heavy whipping cream on hand. I just love making my own. And it's super simple. I can make as little or as much as I need with that. I've also got a cherry here. And then I've got a little bit of dark chocolate I'm going to shave over the top. I've got some caramel syrup. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this along the sides of my glass, a little bit in the bottom. In case it's not sweet enough, then I can stir it up. Get that off the bottom, right? All right, so let me grab my blender. And then we'll go ahead and put our ice cubes in. Uh-oh. Well, we lost. I can use that one. I'll get the other ones later. All right, so we need about... I'm going to set my cherry over here for a second. I need about 2 cups of almond milk. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this caramel syrup to it. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and replace my lid, turn it on, and then we're going to go ahead and hit start. All right, that looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my blender off. Get my glass here. It looks like all my caramel syrup went to the bottom, but that's okay. I'll stir it up. Pour this into our glass. All right, then a little bit of whipped cream. Right on top. We'll add a little bit more caramel, right? We can never have enough caramel. Caramel is one of my favorite flavors. Add our, well, wait, let's do our chocolate. I'm just using my grater to do this. I'm using my grater to make a mess is what I'm doing, as usual. My cherry goes on top, and that is it. I am going to stir a little bit to the bottom, get some of that caramel in there. If you make one of these yourself, I promise you, you will not need to go through the drive-thru. These are so delicious. I swear they're better than McDonald's. I don't know about Starbucks. I don't go to Starbucks. I don't have a Starbucks next to me. But these are so good. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't do an alcoholic drink today. That's really all I need is my coffee. That tastes so good. I hope you guys give this a try. I hope you give cold brew coffee a try. It is absolutely phenomenal. So I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.